Hey, everybody. Jeff Kasmer here. Um, Network marketer, affiliate marketer, Forex trader, and a member of IMmastery. I have been making money online for 21 years, probably 22 now. I lose track. And I'm here with a new video. It's been a while. Thank you for all the feedback, all the comments, all the separate emails, text, all that. To say, Jeff, we want another video. Here it is. Okay. This one's going to blow you away. Okay. I've actually been doing advertising for it and stuff like that. So, let me get the particulars out of the way. If you like this video, don't like this video, there's a thumbs up, thumbs down. Please, if you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe, notification down there. Get on board with our channel and our team. If you're interested in joining IMmastery, okay, please send me a friend request right here. Not that one, because that's my business page. Send it to me here, Jeff Kasmer, and I will drop you in our group, where you can take a look around, watch testimonials, see our team in action. You don't even need to become a customer. You can be in this group for 6 months and then say, hey, you know what? These guys are for real. Let me get on board, okay? Or, like some people, they see it right away and get on board, okay? And you can also reach me through my business page, Trade Forex with Jeff. And now that I've covered all that in about 30 seconds, let me take a sip of water and let me tell you what we're going to discuss today. What we're covering today is something new that our team is doing, because what we do is there's the network marketing side where we bring people in, we recruit people into our company. And sometimes it gets a bad rap. Okay. Oh, you guys just recruiting. Okay. I have answered that question 5,000 times in the past 3 years. But here's the difference. Okay. 97% of our customers are actual traders. They trade Forex. We teach them to trade Forex, and our company, with educators after educators after educators, just teaches Forex. Okay, but because when you see IMmastery pop up here, or IML, because IMmastery rebranded from IML, then you just see, oh, recruiting. Yes, you have to have a sponsor to get inside the company. Here's why you want me and our team. We're the #1 team in the company, by far. It's not even close. Okay. The reason being is because we retain a lot of customers, a high percentage of customers. So that when they join our team, we actually teach them a strategy that you can learn inside IMmastery. But we do 5 webinars a week. 5. And here's the bonus. Okay. We're going to give you a sneak peek, a 7-day free trial into our group if you reach me through Facebook at Jeff Kasmer. Okay. You send me a friend request and say, Jeff, I want a link to the 7-day trial, and I will get you into the 7-day trial. Here's how the 7-day trial works. We create a separate Facebook group just for the 7-day trial free members. Okay, you're like a fly in the wall. You are eligible to see 5 of our webinars. Sundays when we look at pairs, the 4 days that we trade, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All the webinars are recorded. You will learn a ton from these webinars. Okay, we're going to help teach a strategy using a tool that IMmastery has called the Harmonic Scanner. This scanner is worth $5,000. Okay, our memberships are $5,000. Okay, this is a fantastic tool that helps identify pairs to look for our particular strategy. Okay, so this is perfect if you have no knowledge of Forex. You don't need any. Okay, this is perfect if you have some knowledge of Forex. Great. If you have a lot of knowledge of Forex, even wonderful. Okay. If you have no idea about Forex, you just like, this looks interesting. Can I make some money from it? We're perfect for you. Okay. We're offering a 7-day trial. Let me minimize this. Let me get to, what page am I looking for here? Hold on. I'm getting there. A little slow. Here we go. Okay. We're offering 7 days to financial freedom. Okay. Learn the plan with our trial membership. Join the movement. We are a team that is absolutely destroying it, because we are now offering a 7-day trial. So you can come in, you can be a fly on the wall, you can ask questions during the webinars, right? Our administration team is up there. We have that are experienced traders, and we go through the pairs on Sunday, and then Tuesday through Friday, we continue to go through the pairs and trades, and it's just an absolute monster resource for you to have to see what we are about, to see why there is a movement with our team and why so many people are jumping on board. So we're going to give you 7-day access. Okay. Now, after 7 days, okay, after 7 days, it's not for me. We part separate ways. We're friends. Good luck finding the right opportunity for you. Okay. If you think, oh, this is awesome, fantastic. You reach out to me. I send you a link to join our company. Okay. We actually ask you to choose the cheapest package. Come on, who does that? Who does that? We don't ask. When you're network marketing, everybody who's trying to sell you something, get the big one, get the big one, get the big car, get the big package, the most expensive item. No, we have you choose the cheapest one. You know why? If you have little or no knowledge of Forex, okay, IMmastery has wonderful tools. Okay, they have like swipetrades. Okay, they have swipecoin. They have all kinds of things that will give you trade ideas, teach additional strategies, etc. But here's the difference, okay? We want you to focus on one thing at a time, right? And as you gain knowledge, experience, and start making money, then you can widen your horizon and pick up additional software and tools through the IMmastery, okay? So that we want to teach you a strategy that can last you a lifetime, right? A lifetime. IMmastery has been around 8 years. We're going to be around 25 more years at least, okay? That's what we can offer you. 7-day free trial inside of a group. At the end of the 7 days, you're not ready to make a decision? No problem. We part separate ways. Maybe you come back to me a month later and say, yeah, you're right. This is the team and the group for me. That's perfect. So that's the opportunity for you, okay? So if you have interest in our 7 days, I'm not posting the link. I'm not going to post the link below this video. Okay, the reason I can't post the link before the video is because once I give you the 7-day trial link and you get inside, my job is I have to tag you. There's a couple steps to watch, a couple videos to watch to learn a little bit about the strategy before we start the free trial. Okay, so yesterday there was like 300 people in the free trial. Okay, we get a lot of people, and when we get a lot of people that jump on board. Okay, so you want to do is reach me at Jeff Casmer, my personal page, send me a friend request, say, Jeff, I want the link, and I'll get you inside. It's pretty simple. This company has changed my approach to life, business, personal, everything, okay? It allows you the freedom to live a life. You are not a slave, 8 to 8, 12 hours a day, period. It's not saying that it's a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not, okay? You're not going to learn the strategy in one day, okay? In fact, we do, a lot of people, a lot of customers of mine, they get the package, and then you can add on something like the swipetrades app I showed you about, where you can just copy and paste trades and make some money. Our goal, number one goal, is to earn while you're learning, right? So this is not you're going to class, you're going to college for 90 days, I'm not going to make a dime, I'm going to pay some money. Wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Now, when we teach this strategy and you start to get the hang of the strategy, we always recommend you to demo trade. That means fake money, right? When you become a member of our team and you get inside of our group, we have our own unit section, which I should go over in another video. So this is outside the training of IMmastery. We go beyond the call of duty, okay? We actually have it to a science as to answer every single question that you might have. We actually already have it laid out in a step-by-step process. This is outside of the IMmastery Academy, where you can learn a ton, okay? So this is the option available to you in a 7-day free trial. So here's what you got to do. Reach me, reach me on Facebook, personal page, say, become friends with me, say, Jeff, I want a link, I get you inside. We start on Sunday, 3 o'clock Eastern time, okay? Number one question, hey, Jeff, what happens if I can't be on all the sessions live? Like I'm in the United Kingdom, and that's, 6 hours or whatever the difference is. No problem. We record every webinar. So just because you can't be there on Saturday at 3 o'clock Eastern, 2 p.m. Central when it starts, you can watch the recording later, okay? And the community is fantastic. The community is fantastic. You're going to learn a ton about Forex trading just by these live sessions alone, okay? One of the main guys who does the trading or does the teaching is fantastic. By the way, he was a member of our group. He was just a customer. And now he's a fantastic trader. I can't say anything more about our team and our group. It is changing people's lives. Well, I want to help change your life. So again, reach me. Let's get you on board. 7-day free trial. And I'm going to do a second video today. I promise you I'm going to do a second video today. So let me end the particulars. If you like the video, up, down, please give me your feedback. You want to subscribe for more videos so you know when the next video is coming, which is going to be coming to later today. Hit the subscribe button. Comments below. If you want to reach me, you can reach me. You've got my Facebook pages. And I think that's it. So carry on, wayward son. Take care.